How to enable voice input in Ask AI. Want to ask questions in Ask AI using your voice instead of typing? Today I will show you how to enable voice input on Ask AI. It's super easy and a fun way to chat hands-free. Let's go. First, open your browser and go to iask.ai. Make sure you are using a browser that supports mic access. Chrome and Safari both works great. Once you are on the main page, you will see the search bar front and center. On the right side of the bar, a little microphone icon will appear. That means your browser or OS is ready for voice input. If this is your first time using voice, your browser may ask for permission to use the mic. Just click allow. This only needs to be done once. Click the mic icon, see it light up or wave. Now start speaking your question. For example, say, what's the capital city of Thailand? The tool will transcribe your query and paste the answer just like typing but faster. If the transcription wasn't perfect, you can tap the mic again and speak again or edit the text directly in the search bar before submitting. Easy peasy. And that's it. Voice input on Ask AI is quick and super convenient. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.